What's up guys, Ivan here, and this is the key to the beautiful Mercedes AMG S63 4MATIC Plus Coupé. And in this video I'm going to show you the exterior, interior and the infotainment system. So let's start. So now we're gonna take a look at the front of the vehicle. And this particular vehicle is in anthracite blue color paint finish. We can also see the Panamericana front grille. And these are the LED intelligent light system. So these are the predecessor to the multi-beams. And as you can see, the front is very aggressive looking, really nice. Also these air ducts in the front, and also the intercooler, you can see it in the lower part of the front bumper. So these are some stats about the car, also the price and the options on the car. So this car has some options, as you can see. And now let's take a look at these alloy wheels. So these are the AMG cross-spoke forged wheels in matte black color. As you can see, these are the carbon ceramic brakes, and these tires are Michelin ceramic brakes with like bronze calipers, and these tires are 255, 40, 20 inch, and the name is Pilot Sport 3 Mercedes original tire. So now at the front fender you can see the V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus badge, and if you take a look on the side of the car we can see the silhouette and a little bit of the interior. So now let's take a closer look at the side and then at the rear of the car. So it has a really nice, elegant and sporty shape. These are the OLED lights, tail lamps, and they look gorgeous. We also have here the 4 exhaust pipes. We can also see the diffuser in the lower part of the bumper. And these are the OLED tail lamps, which are from the individual LED panels. So these are the indicators. Now we can take a look at the tail lamps when they are on during night, and we can take a look at the tail lamps from the side, so you can see the individual parts of the tail lamp. So really looks great. Yes, really lovely detail. Now we can take a look at the engine bay. So here we can find the hand-built engine from Falterbach, and this engine is V8 bi-turbo engine, 4.0 liter. And this engine has power of 450 kilowatts or 612 horsepower, and has also 900 Newton meters of torque, and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. And top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour or 300 kilometers per hour with the optional AMG driver's package. So this engine, 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo engine, is very closely related to the engine of the Mercedes AMG GT super sports car series, like the GT S and GTR, and with 450 kilowatts and 900 Newton meters, it sets the benchmark in terms of output and also the torque. And this engine uses the tried and tested bi-turbo charging system, which the two chargers are not located on the outside of the cylinder banks, but in between them, in the V formed by the cylinders, the hot inner V, as it's known to the experts. And the fundamental principle allows both a compact design engine and a more spontaneous response from the turbochargers. In addition, the cylinder shut-off system is among the features that make this one of the most efficient series produced V8 engines in the world. So let's close the hood. You need to slam it to close it properly. And now we can take a look at the interior of the car. So let's open the door. This car has a keyless system, so just place your hand in the handle and it will open. And this particular car is finished with porcelain AMG leather, AMG Napa leather, and also these like a decor floating lines, and also deep sea blue contrasting color. This car has also AMG door trim, which is illuminated, and very nice detail of the door lock in aluminium. And in the door panel we can see the close button, the handle, buttons for the windows. You can open the boot from the door, AMG floor mats, and this gorgeous interior with new style AMG steering wheel, and with these comfortable sporty seats, which are in the porcelain color, which is like something between the beige and white. You have AMG logo on the seats as well. Nice diamond stitching with like floating stitching also perforated seats. So let's close the door and we can take a look at the door panel. You have also extender for the seat belt, and these are the controls for the seat. Fully electric adjustable memory seats. This is the start stop button, which is like a pulsating visually, which looks really good. So we can start the ignition. Nice AMG logo animation, and also you can see blue ambient lighting. So this car has a command system, which is like a predecessor to the MBUX system. So the middle of the steering wheel is covered in leather, also stitching. So really nice and beautiful design. Let me know what you think about this car. This car also has the two 12.3-inch screens. And yeah, the steering wheel is just gorgeous. On the side we have like a, not perforation, but in this kind of style, the sides of the steering wheel for a better grip. So new style steering wheel. With the left part you operate the instrument cluster, and with the right part you control the command display, which is in the middle. Also you have a soft close doors, so you don't need to slam the doors, so they will soft close for you. Really nice design. I really think this is also futuristic design from Mercedes, and yeah, really nice balance between the sportiness and also the elegance, because these cars are both more for their prestige kind of the thing, but also the driver can enjoy some acceleration and great sound from the engine. In the boot space you can fit some trolleys there, duffel bags, which most people do have this car like a two-person car basically. Underneath you can find also additional storage space and a tire kit. So yeah, a lot of space for two people. This blue is only the tape for the protection from the factory. It's not a blue color, just to tell you this. And here you can find a triangle for the accident. Of course the boot is electrical, it's closing very fast. So yeah guys, you can also with the key holding the unlock button, you can put down all four windows, and then you can see the beautiful line without the B pillar, and it really looks gorgeous. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this car. Comment down below. Also like this video, it helps my channel to grow and have the attention for the YouTube. So yeah guys, that's basically it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.